guys, this is my YouTube return. Also sitting right in front of my air conditioner. Hope you're surviving if you live in New York. I am going to do my everyday summer makeup today. I am obsessed with everything that I use in this routine, so I thought that you guys would want to see it. Maybe, and yeah, let's get started. Okay, so usually I spray my face with this Refresh by my Clarins Hydrating Beauty Mist. It smells like roses. I'm obsessed with this stuff. I have been using this Josie Maran Daily Moisturizer with SPF 47. I am not used to using a sunscreen every day. Normally I like to use this Glam Glow Glow Starter Moisturizer. It's just so pretty on your skin. I'll use a little bit now to show you guys. I usually just use it like where I would put highlighter. From Josie Maran that I've been using is their Argan Intense Oil. You can use this for so many things. Normally I just use it on my lips, and if I have any like super dry spots or if I'm sick, then I tend to have like more dry skin. I love these. Next I'm going in with this e.l.f. concealer. It's their 16-hour concealer. Next we have the Josie Maran. I have been using her products and I'm like, they're so good. The Argan Oil Fluid Foundation in the color Jubilant, but it just feels really light on your skin and I feel like it kind of gives you a glow. So normally I like to use a translucent powder, but I'm actually out of it, so I'm just using a regular powder right now. Just kind of set it. I don't like to use a lot of this. Just kind of a little amount and then take it everywhere. Okay, up next is bronzer by Milani. This is just their baked blush in Soleil. And I just kind of put it on like my nose, the sides of my face, and just take a little bit into the crease to give a little bit of definition. I love using bronzers and blushes as eyeshadows because it just makes everything look super cohesive and glowy and natural. So now I'm going to use the Milani Baked Blushes. I just recently discovered these and I've been using them like every day that I actually do my makeup. Love these, and I get so many compliments on what highlighter I'm using, which I think is funny because it's actually a blush. On my nose and a little above my lips. Use my finger and I put it on my lids. So I've been using the Maybelline Tattoo Studio Brow Gel. I just like very like fluffy and natural looking brows, so all I use is a gel, especially in the summer. Like, I think a gel is so perfect. Then I'm going to do a little bit of mascara. So this is my favorite drugstore mascara. It's the Mega Plush Volume Express by Maybelline. Off and on I would do the lash extensions. I'm not really supposed to have them, so I don't do them anymore. But I also don't do them anymore because my eyelashes definitely were not as good as they used to be. So I started using the Grande Lash and I feel like it worked a little bit, but I don't think I saw like major results. So I don't know, I'm just curious if you guys have tried it. Leave a comment below and let me know if you like loved it or you liked it. This is a NYX NYX NYX, the retractable lip liners. I like these because I don't like to use a sharpener. In the color Vanilla Sky. It's basically an exact lip color. One of my favorite lip glosses is from Soap & Glory. It's their Sexy Mother Pucker lip gloss. This is in the shade Sponge Sugar. It's just like super shimmery and it's a plumping gloss, which I think is fun, you know? That's pretty much it. Hopefully here to stay. Planning on doing a video every week if you guys have any suggestions for next week. So I hope you guys enjoy, and I will see you in my next video. Bye!